So you already had a screen here, so the roofer messed up. Then you hired a guy who brought another screen, charged you for it, and put it on a vent that didn't need it. So now, if I go to any one of these vents that they covered up, see there's two screens. See? There's a screen there already. You don't need this cumbersome contraption. These, he screened in, and that's good. But all of these that make a U-turn and go back to the roof, point back down at the roof, already got them. So I don't know what you paid for. All right, so I'm gonna have to clean this and put it back because you don't have what you should have, which is a flap. So I'm gonna put this one back for now till you figure out what you want to do about it.